Welcome friends. In this video I am going to show you the altcoins that I think having huge potential and can give you maximum profit in this year 2021. That is why I am making this video. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel. For more informative content and very useful informations, links are in this video's description. And if you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. And if you want to join my VIP signal service for trading, altcoin trading and Bitcoin trading, then please contact me on my Telegram. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you what are the coins and what are the targets and why I am so bullish on these coins. My first coin is Hedera Hashgraph HBAR. This is a token metrics page, and here you can see this is the grade of HBAR, and currently it is trading at $0.28. Price decreases 4.35% in just 24 hours. Current rank of Hedera is 65. Market cap of Hedera token is $2.4 billion. Circulating supply of Hedera is $8.3 billion. 8.3 billion, sorry. Total supply of Hedera HBAR is 50 billion. 24-hour trading volume of Hedera is 150 million, which is very good. It is available on Binance US, OK Exchange, BBC, Upbit, and some other major exchanges. And if you want to buy, or invest in this token, and if you want to open a Binance account, in that case, please go to in this video description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. Let me please show you the chart of the HBAR. This is the token metric chart, and here you can see on 10 January, price of the Hedera HBAR was $0.038, and here you can see a bullish indicator indicates that price will go up, and here you can see price goes to $0.39, and after that price decreases, and here you can see it is currently is at 0.28, I think so, and here is a bearish sign. Here you can see after it is a bearish sign, and after that so after some time bullish sign appears, and after that it is a good rally. In this case, indicator is showing that technically price will go down. If price go down, that is a good chance for us to buy this token. And if you want to buy this token, then please do your own research. I am not a financial advisor, and I will not responsible any of your losses. Let me please show you my chart. But before this, let me please show you the fundamentals and technical analysis of this HBAR of token metrics. Fundamental score is 66.45, which is very good. And let me please show you the technical analysis of HBAR. 74.98% indicator is showing that it is very bullish. Here you can see anything between 80 to 90 is indicating bullish. Here you can see. And let me please show you some. Here you can see Awesome oscillator indicates it is bullish. Commodity channel indicates it is neutral. Moving average indicates it is bullish. And here you can see only one bearish sign and four bullish signs, four bullish indicators, and just three neutral indicators. Let me please show you my chart. This is Hedera HBAR Tether US 4-hour Binance chart. It is currently trading at $0.28. It is 4-hour chart, and currently it is in this pennant, or you can say symmetrical triangle. Let me please zoom this, and here you can see it for the clear view. I am waiting for the breakout or breakdown. If breakout towards the upside, in that case our target will be, let me please show you, $0.40. And if it break down, then let me please clone this. In that case our target will be, let me please, 18 $0.18, but I think this is less likely, this is most likely. I think that Hedera have to move towards upside because $0.27 is a strong support zone for the H bar, and after that, after hitting this, it have to move towards upside. Once it break this upside trend line, which is at $0.30, once it breaks $0.30, in that case $0.40 or 40 cents is our target. According to the support and resistance base, our target will be, let me please show you. According to the support and resistance base, our target will be, this is the immediate short-term target, 0.42. Symmetrical triangle target is $0.40, and according to the support and resistance base, our target is $0.42. Let me please show you how much this token give you in 2021. Let me please show you, and let me please zoom out this chart. Zoom in, sorry. Let me please do this. Please thumbs up the like button if you are new. Then please join my Telegram channel and subscribe my YouTube channel. 11x, 1174% gain this token gives in 2021. That is very, very good. I am very bullish because of the technology, because of the team, and because of the hype that is that H bar is creating. And I think maybe I'm going to show you what is my target. Let me please show you. For this, I have to take this tool, and according to the fib retracement tool, our target will be $1.34. It is currently is at $28.28, and according to the fib retracement, 1.34. But I think H bar can go to $2, maybe $3. My target is in between $2 or $3 in this year, 2021, till end of 2021. Let me please show you my next coin, which is very, very important coin, and that coin is Chiliz. Chiliz, as you know, that this is the NFT token, and this is the exchange and NFT platform. And currently, let me please show you some summary. Current grade of Chiliz on Tokenmetric is 41, and price is $0.48. Price decreases 5.64% in 24 hours. And current rank of CHZ Chiliz is 62. Market cap of Chiliz is very good, $2.6 billion, which is very good. Circulating supply of Chiliz is 5.3 billion. Total supply of Chiliz is 8.9 billion, which is very, very huge. And 24-hour trading volume of Chiliz is $443 million. It is available on Binance, OK Exchange, Upbit, and UB Global, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token or invest in this token on Binance, then please go to in this video's description, where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. This is the Tokenmetrics chart of CHZ, and here you can see after it on April 24 there is a bearish sign occurs, and after that price goes down, but no bullish sign occurs, and price was 0.52, and now it is at 0.48. Here you can see on November 14, bullish indicator indicates that price will go up. At that moment, price was 0.01, and after that, here you can see how big rally of Chiliz, how big rally of Chiliz comes, and how beautifully Chiliz move towards upside. And let me please show you some fundamental and technical analysis of Tokenmetrics. Fundamental score of Chiliz is 56.34, which is a good, which is very good score. And let me please show you the technical analysis. Here you can see technical analysis says that is showing that 78%. It is a neutral. Anything between 70 to 80% is neutral, and that means price of the Chiliz definitely will go up. And let me please show you some indicators. Awesome oscillator indicate it is bearish, moving average bearish, and stochastic oscillator is bearish, and these indicate that price of the Chiliz will go down, and that will be a good chance for us to buy this token. Once this token move towards downside, maybe it have to go to $0.48. Sorry for that. Let me please show you my chart, and in which I will tell you my medium duration, long duration, and immediate short-term target for this token. This is the Chiliz chart, Chiliz 4-hour USDT pair chart of Binance. It is currently trading at $0.48. Let me please show you. These indicates that are strong buy zone at $0.24, $0.44. Strong sell zone are 0.58, 0.76, and 0.92. Let me please zoom out. Here you can see it is currently at $0.48, and after touching this support line, which is at $0.48, it is moving towards upside. Once it break this uptrend line, in that case it have to move towards upside. In that case, our target will be, let me please show you, minimum target will be, in that case, that is immediate short-term target, and after that I will tell you my long duration and medium duration targets. Let me please arrange this. .62 or 0.61, 0.62. 0.62 is our immediate short-term target. It have to hit this target. Once it break this horizontal resistance 0.59 and 0.50. These are two resistances currently at the moment. Once it break, then 0.62 is our target. All-time high of Chiliz is 0.94. That is a good time to buy. But if you want to buy this token, then please do your own research. This video is just for informational purpose only. Let me please show you how much profit this token gives in 2021. Here you can see there is no movement, and here you can see on January 1 to all-time high. This token gives 59x to its holders. That is a very huge profit. Now, what is the target for the Chiliz right now? Let me please do this. According to the Fib retracement, the target of the Chiliz is $2.92, or you can say $3. But my target for the Chiliz is $5. In this bull run, Chiliz can hit easily $5. That is my final target for the Chiliz. Let me please show you my third pick, which is WazirX. WazirX is a Indian exchange. In WazirX, you can buy different kind of cryptocurrency, and WRX is the token of WazirX exchange. Let me please show you some other information. The current price of the WRX is $2.41, and current rank of WRX is 109. Market cap of WRX is $1 billion. Circulating supply of VRX is 435 million. Total supply of VRX is 1 billion. 24-hour trading volume of WazirX is 93 million, which is very good. It is currently available on WazirX, Galaxy, Binance Exchange, DEX, Binance US, and some other important exchanges. Let me please show you the chart. Here you can see the indicator is showing that price will go down. Indicator is bearish, and maybe price can go down to hit this zone very soon. Maybe price can go down to hit this zone $1.50, and after that price will move towards upside. Let me please show you the fundamentals of the WazirX. Fundamental score of WazirX is 66, which is good. And let me please show you the technical analysis of WazirX on token metrics. 74. In between 70 to 80% it is neutral. And let me please show you some indicators. What I think. Awesome oscillator is bullish. Awesome oscillator is saying that price will go up. And commodity channel index CCI is neutral. Moving average bearish. Forex FI index is bullish. Rate of change ROC is bullish. And let me please show you my chart of WRX. This is my chart of WRX. It is WazirX USDT pair 4-hour Binance chart. It is currently trading at $2.4. Maybe price can go down to hit this support zone, which is $2.2. And after hitting this zone, price have to move towards the upside. In that case, our first target will be this horizontal resistance, which is at $3.25. This is our first target, first immediate short-term target, and our second target will be this. Our first target is $3.25. Our second target is $4.32. And let me please show you some other information of WazirX. Let me please show you how much WazirX gives in 2021. Sorry for that. $76x, 7,661% profit this token gives to its holders, which is very good. In just 4 months, this token gives 76x, which is very huge profit. Let me please show you my target for the WazirX in 2021. Let me please show you. According to the Fibonacci retracement tool, WazirX can go to $22, but my target is $25 to $30. WazirX can easily hit $25 to $30 in this year, 2021. There are many reasons for this target. Some technical indicators, my technical prediction, but let me please consider Binance Coin. How much profit Binance Coin gives to its holders? WRX is first Indian cryptocurrency exchange token. That is why it will go very high, and it will move towards upside, and maybe $25, maybe $30 is the target of this token in this year 2021. Let me please show you my third coin, which is Crypto.com CRO. It is currently trading at $0.17. Market cap of this token is 4.5 billion. Circulating supply of this token is 25.3 billion. Total supply of this token is 30.3 billion. And 24-hour trading volume of this token is $195 million, which is very good. Currently, it is available at Huobi Global, Crypto.com, Upbit, BK Exchange, OK Exchange, and some other important exchanges. And current rank of CRO is 43, which is a good rank. The chart of the CRO indicates that price can go down because there is an indicator that showing bearish sign. Maybe price can go down to hit this zone, maybe $0.17. Maybe price can go down to hit this zone, but I'm not sure. Let me please show you some fundamentals and technical analysis of this token on token metrics, and after that I will show you my chart. Fundamental of score of CRO is 36, and technical analysis of the CRO, let me please show you. Very bearish, it is at 59. Maybe price can go down, and it is time to buy this token. Once you buy this token, you have to hold this token till December 2021. All indicators are showing that there are 3 bearish signs and 3 neutral signs and 2 bullish signs. And let me please show you my chart of CRO. This is CRO.com, crypto.com chart, and it is 4-hour chart. Currently it is trading at $0.17. Maybe it can go down to hit $0.16, and after that it have to move towards upside. I am expecting that kind of move, maybe, and after that it have to move towards upside. Our first target of the CRO will be this zone, $0.20, and after that, once it broke this horizontal resistance, in that case our second target will be $0.25, you can say. And let me please show you how much profit CRO gives in 2021. Let me please show you. Please thumbs up the like button if you are new, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon too. I will try my best to bring more exclusive content for you. In 2021, this token gives 400% profit. I think this token is very much undervalued, and it have to move towards upside and have to hit my targets. Let me please show you what is the target I am expecting from this token in this year 2021. According to the Fibonacci retracement tool, $0.70 is the target, but I think it can hit $0.50 in this year 2021. $0.50 to $0.60 is the target of the CRO, and it will give you 5x to 6x in this year. I think so. Let me please show you my final coin, which is Tron TRX. I am very bullish on this coin, having huge potential and having good team and huge. Most of the people like this project and having good reputation. $0.14 is the current price of TRX Tron. Current rank of Tron is 20, and market cap of Tron is $10.1 billion, which is very huge. Circulating supply of Tron is 71 billion. Total supply of Tron is 100 billion. 24-hour trading volume of Tron is $3.6 billion, which is very huge. It is available on Binance, Huobi Global, Pro, and HitBTC and some other important exchanges. Let me please show you the chart. This is the token metrics chart of TRX, and on January 28, indicator shows that price will go up. There is an indicator showing bullish sign here, you can see, and after that, on that moment the price was $0.03, and after that price moved to $0.16, and after that price consolidate, and it is now currently is at $0.14. Let me please show you some fundamentals and technical analysis. Fundamentally, it is very strong, 59 at 59%, and let me please show you the technical analysis. What our indicators are saying to us. It is at neutral mode, and let me please show you. Awesome Accelerator is bullish, commodity channel neutral, moving average bearish, Forex index FI very bullish, RSI neutral, Satoshi oscillator bearish, and rate of change and WR neutral and bullish. Let me please show you my chart of CHZ. sorry, Tron. I have to show you the chart of Tron. Let me please show you. This is the Tron 4-hour Binance chart in USDT pair. And let me please zoom this. It is currently trading at $0.14. After hitting this support zone, it is moving towards upside. It is currently in this ascending broadening wedge, and our first target will be this zone. It have to move towards upside and have to hit this up trend line, which is at let me please show you, which is at $0.18. And once it breaks this upside trend line, in that case our target will be these are two immediate short-term targets that can Tron hit within 1 week, within 2 weeks. That are immediate short-term target for the Tron TRX. Our second target will be $0.24. These are immediate short-term target for the Tron. That is a very good moment to buy Tron. And after that, it have to move towards upside and will create new all-time high. And let me please show you how much profit this token gives in 2021. And after that, I'm going to show you how much and what is my after that I'm going to show you what is my target of Tron, target of 2021. Tron gives its holder 591%, you can say 6x in this year 2021, and the rally is just begun. And I think let me please remove this, and I think let me please show you what is my target. According to the Fibonacci retracement tool, let me please zoom there, sorry for that. According to the Fibonacci retracement tool, 0.47 is the target, but I don't think so. I think $1.50 to $2 is the target. Tron can easily hit $1.50, maybe $2 in this bull run. That is my final target of Tron TRX, and I am very bullish on this. And this can easily give you 10x to 20x in this bull run till end of this year, December 2021. Thanks for the watching, and friends, please keep supporting me. Please thumbs up the like button right now. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Keep supporting me. Take care.